Assalamualaikum and hi to Dr. Hana and to all the viewers. So today we are going to present about technostructural intervention in Al-Balad Travel and Tours. So these are the group members. Belinda Tambong anak Daniel, Donna Jack, Mark anak Ala, Nasharina anak Bangit, and me, Nur Hayatun Shamila binti Muhammad Nizam. So, in this assignment 2 for organizational development and change, we choose Al-Balad Travels and Tours Sendirian Berhad. So, what is Al-Balad? Al-Balad Travel and Tours Sendirian Berhad is a tourism private organization that located in Selangor. It also can consider as a small or medium organization. Al-Balad also provide a tourism service. There are a few destinations that you can go by using Al-Balad service, which are Turkey, Istanbul, Israel, and as for Muslim, you can do Umrah or Hajj by using Al-Balad service. As for the intervention, I will pass it to my friends.
Hi, my name is Belinda Daniel, so I will talk about human resources. The intervention that we choose in proposing new corporate image and new layout office space in Al-Balad Travel, Tour and Company is technostructural intervention. This is to help them to restructure their current office layout to the latest and improve office layout concept based on technostructural intervention. Technostructural interventions are focusing on improving the company organizational effectiveness. This is to shape the technical structural element of the organization so that it best suits the company current situation and future development. The first phase in redesigning the company layout is starting with planning stage. In this stage, Human Resource Department will be given tasks to make design choice based on the workers' feedback. The second phase is designing and piloting stage. The Human Resource Department is requested to get early feedback from the employee because it is crucial to ease the change management for later success of the redesigning process. The third phase is post-implementation phase. Human Resource team will collect data from the employee on their experience with the new office layout. The rationale of our choice in implementing technostructural intervention is to keep up to date with the latest and improved workplace design. This is because office environment affected the business prosperity. The rationale of our choice is to accommodate the team in the company with their team working needs. On top of that, having a great workplace design can maximize the team's productivity. Besides that, creating collaborative and flexible office design with breakthrough space can be a practical way to improve company culture and motivate teams. Lastly is to inspire well-being inside the company. Thank you.
Hello, I am Nasha and I will explain on the interior design of the company. So, this company comes with an L-shaped layout. So we decided to divide it into 3 sections, which is the first section is waiting lounge and exhibition section or exhibition room, and then consultation office, and then pantry. So each section is designed with modern concept and all the space is family friendly. So for the first space is waiting lounge. So this waiting lounge is actually designed specially for the comfort of the customer, and this space is designed as a family friendly space. And in this waiting lounge, the customer can sit before they will be consult, and This space also very spacious, and it comes with sofa sets and also a coffee machine so that the customer can have some drinks before their turn to be consulted. And the next section is exhibition room. This exhibition room or this exhibition section designed to exhibit the places that this travel and tours company provide, and it also help in marketing strategy actually for the company to attract the customer, and this space also can convince the customer to use this company services for holiday. And this space is spacious, and there's pictures of the holidays places and also the promotion packages on the walls so that the customer that comes to this company can decide which package they want to get. And also if there is cases where there's so many customers come in a day, they can also use this space for the consultation session. So the next space is consultation office. So this office is designed specially for the employees that will consult the customer or client so that they can ensure the employees to feel comfortable while working and have a good environment. This space is very important in the productivity of the employees. If the employees have a good working environment, they will be more motivated, and for sure the productivity or the performance of the employees also will increase day by day. So the next section is pantry, and this space was designed specially for the employees, and this facility is also designed to motivate the employees to do better in their job, and this space also one of the way that the company care for the employees. And this space comes with a complete set of kitchen set and refrigerator and also dining tables set and also stool. And this place also can be used for the employees to take their break, to have their lunch, and to have a break before continue with their job or their work. And the main focus here in designing this entire interior design for this company is that we are focusing on the productivity of the employees, the working environment of the employees, and also the customer service. And we also want to ensure that the customer feel comfortable and feel welcome when they come to this company, so that they will be convinced to use this travel and tour company for their holidays. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Rationale and I will present the financial section in the slides. Overall, the total amount of budget allocation for the financial is 15,000 ringgit. The highest price of an item in the table is the 40 inches LCD television, which costs Rm 987 ringgit. The lowest price of an item in the table is the long variant of photo frames, which costs 11 ringgit and 28 cents per item. The highest price for one kitchen set is around Rm 829 ringgit. The highest price for one sofa set for office section is 499 ringgit, while the highest price for one sofa set for the lounge section is 985 ringgit. Next, the highest price for an item of minibar table for the pantry section is 399 ringgit, while the highest price for one refrigerator is 845 ringgit. Besides that, the highest price for one item among the Ottoman stool with square and round variant is 94 ringgit and 90 cents, which is That is the price for one set of square variants of Ottoman stool for the exhibition section. Next, the highest price for one set of table and chair for exhibition center is 299 ringgit. The price for one set office desk is 599 ringgit. Besides that, the highest price for one set of chandelier for lounge section is 130 ringgit. And the cost for painting is 1000 ringgit and the lighting cost is 1500 ringgit. The other cost or miscellaneous is around Rm 500 ringgit, and the total wages cost for the workers to get the job done is around 2500 ringgit. Thank you.
Hi, salam sejahtera. My name is Donna Jack and my matrix number is 65814. In this slide, I will explain in more detail about corporate communications and how it might affect the perceptions of stakeholders and also the customer. First and foremost, Aldoni Media 2020 defined corporate communication as activities involved in both business and organizations communications, and also managing both internal and external audiences in the workplace. The aim of this corporate communication is to create favorable perceptions among stakeholders, investors, employees, and also the customer itself. It also responsible in bringing more suitable changes and modifications into business structures. Corporate communication can affect the perceptions of the stakeholders if they can build a stronger relationship between stakeholders and organization, as it can lead to an effective long-term relationship. The employees who have the ability to clearly and confidently present the new ideas and inputs or informations and able to elaborate it with data is very important, because they have high potential to convince or to persuade stakeholders to support morally and financially the changes in the project. The stakeholders may have the perception that if there is changes in interior design or the new layout of the organizations, it can attract more customer and at the same time increase the productivity of the employees. Next, corporate communication can affect the perceptions of customer. STEC 2019 claimed that the organization can spot the pain point and smooth the journey of the customer only by monitoring their perceptions. Employees and customer communication while they're communicating through various forms of communication, especially when introducing new layout and the availability of various facilities, the customer may assume that the organization is trying their best to change into more conducive and family-friendly environment to suit their needs and demands or requirements from the customer itself. And that's all from me. Thank you.
So, after all the presenters already present their part, I will conclude this presentation. As the conclusion, the technostructural intervention can help the Al-Balad Tours and Travels in order to attract customers and increase the comfortable of employees while working at the office. This intervention layout really fulfilled the characteristics of Al-Balad Tours and Travels as a tourism organization. So, that's all from us. Thank you.